Hello and welcome back to the Pocket Yogi. Today I will be taking you through a very short wrist warm up practice. It's basically some helpful ways to warm up and prepare your muscles to take in your body weight for different postures like a plank or a downward facing dog. So meet me on your mat. Let's get started. Alright then, let's begin this practice with a tabletop position. Palms directly under your shoulders, fingers spread nice and wide, and knees directly under your hips. Engaging your core ever so slightly to get a flat back there. Now keeping your palms pressed on the mat, start leaning forward and back at your own pace. Your shoulders can be leaning forward a little over your wrists and lean back with your hips resting on your heels. Stay dynamic here. Now when you're leaning back towards a tabletop position, start making circles around your wrists. Let's start with some clockwise movements here. Maybe adding some anti-clockwise movements as well. Now bring your wrists closer together so your fingers are pointing away from each other. And just start leaning from side to side. Adding some back and forth movement to this. And your clockwise and anti-clockwise wrist rotations. Now turn your wrists so your fingers are pointing towards you and start peeling your wrists off the mat as you lean back. Lean forward and back. Now flip your hands back so the fingers are pointing at your knees again, but this time you're pressing with the back of your palms. Flip and stretch one palm at a time if that works for you, or you can flip both. Now come on to a seated position. Interlock your fingers, making a giant fist, and start rotating your wrists. I know, I'm making a face there because while I'm calling this a wrist rotation, this feels more like a wave. So continue making clockwise and anti-clockwise wave. Or you could just have them as separate fists and do clockwise and anti-clockwise wrist rotations. The idea here is just to incorporate some movement before you start putting some weight on your wrists. Now interlock your fingers again and press through the back of your palms, bending at the wrists. Onto the other hand. Make a wave while you're at it. And just shake your hands out. And there you go, we are ready for practice. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please incorporate these movements before any workout that you may have on the mat where you're putting a lot of weight on your wrists. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you like this video. I'll see you soon. Bye.